Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring a monumental opportunity unfolding within our lifetime and how you can leverage the ongoing shifts. We're dissecting 15 reasons. Why the biggest wealth transfer in history is happening right now and its implications for everyone, regardless of financial standing, and especially for those aiming to elevate their economic status. Let's dive into the three key types of wealth transfers on the horizon. Generational transfer, where wealth flows from the old to the young. Geographical transfer, illustrated by China's rise as a global manufacturing hub. And technological transfer, where wealth moves from traditional industries to digital powerhouses like Amazon and Google. Positioning yourself to benefit from these shifts could significantly impact your wealth and portfolio. If you're here for this kind of insight, consider subscribing to this channel and sticking around for more content. Now, on to the breakdown. Number 1. Generational transfer. This transfer involves the passing of wealth from older generations to younger ones, primarily through inheritance. As the baby boomer generation ages, a significant amount of wealth is expected to move to millennials and Gen Z. This shift not only represents a substantial transfer of assets, but also signifies a change in investment preferences and economic behavior that could reshape markets. Number 2. Geographical transfer. The rise of new economic powers, notably China, has led to a redistribution of global wealth. This geographical transfer is highlighted by developing nations becoming manufacturing hubs and emerging markets increasing their share of global wealth. Such shifts are creating new investment opportunities and altering the traditional economic dominance of Western countries. Number 3. Technological transfer. The digital revolution has shifted wealth from traditional industrial sectors to technology-based platforms. Companies that leverage technology, such as Amazon and Google, have surpassed traditional manufacturing giants in value. This transition underscores the increasing importance of digital innovation in wealth creation and the economy's future direction. Number 4. The pandemic's role. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated existing trends in wealth transfer, disproportionately benefiting large corporations and individuals with significant asset holdings. While many faced economic hardships, those positioned in tech, e-commerce, and certain financial sectors saw their wealth increase, highlighting the pandemic's uneven economic impacts. Number 5. Government response with money printing. In response to economic downturns, including the recent pandemic, governments worldwide have resorted to printing money, leading to inflation. This increase in the money supply devalues currency and erodes savings, prompting individuals and investors to seek alternative stores of value, reshaping investment strategies. Number 6. Negative interest rates. An environment of negative interest rates, where savers see the real value of their deposits decrease over time, is a direct consequence of expansive monetary policies. This unusual situation encourages spending and borrowing over saving, affecting how individuals and institutions manage their wealth. Number 7. Rising value of gold and Bitcoin. As traditional currencies face devaluation due to inflation, gold and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have emerged as preferred stores of value. These assets are increasingly seen as hedges against currency devaluation and economic uncertainty, attracting both individual and institutional investors. Number 8. Borrowing opportunities. The current low-interest rate environment presents an unprecedented opportunity for borrowing. Individuals and businesses can leverage cheap debt to invest in growth opportunities, real estate, or other assets, potentially increasing their wealth as the economy recovers. Number 9. The generational wealth gap. The impending transfer of wealth from baby boomers to younger generations is anticipated to be the largest in history. This shift is not only significant in terms of the volume of assets transferred, but also in how it may change investment landscapes, consumer behavior, and even philanthropy. Number 10. Digital revolution. The shift towards a digital-first economy is reshaping the workplace and the broader economy. Remote work, digital services, and e-commerce have become more prevalent, changing how businesses operate and creating new wealth generation avenues in the tech sector. Number 11. Global Internet expansion. Efforts to expand Internet access globally are leveling the playing field, allowing people from developing countries to participate in the global economy. This expansion is opening up new markets for goods and services and enabling individuals worldwide to access information, education, and employment opportunities online. Number 12. The domino effect in marketplaces. Success in one sector can lead to growth in related industries, but it can also cause decline in others. This domino effect is evident in how e-commerce growth has impacted traditional retail and how renewable energy advancements affect the fossil fuel industry, illustrating the interconnectedness of modern economies. Number 13. The rise of new money. The emergence of new wealth through technological innovation and entrepreneurship challenges traditional wealth sources. Tech entrepreneurs and digital platforms are creating new economic paradigms, leading to a redistribution of wealth and influence. Number 14. Emerging markets advantage. Developing countries possess a unique advantage by adopting cutting-edge technologies without being hindered by legacy systems. This enables rapid economic development and wealth creation opportunities that could outpace those in more mature markets, making them attractive for investment and innovation. Number 15. Consumerism and e-commerce. The growth of consumerism, fueled by advancements in e-commerce and marketing, is reshaping wealth distribution. As consumers spend more online, the companies that control these digital marketplaces gain significant economic power and wealth, highlighting the shift towards a consumer-driven economy. For those still with us, here's a bonus. The current crisis bears similarities to past downturns, suggesting that strategic investments now could lead to significant gains in the future. This moment in history presents a unique chance for those ready to embrace change and seize the opportunities ahead. This decade is ripe with potential. Are you prepared to make the most of it? Indicate your readiness by sharing your insights and plans. Here's to a prosperous future for us all.